And it's yet another exclusive from Karan Bike this week. Suzuki Motorcycle India will be introducing the second batch of the new generation Hayabusa by July or August 2021. The first batch of the third generation Hayabusa was sold out within a few days of the bike being launched in India, and bookings were subsequently closed. Now, Karan Bike has learned from reliable sources that the second batch will arrive later this year owing to the overwhelming demand. The Hayabusa is extremely popular in India, which is one of the first markets to get the model globally after the bike's debut. The flagship Suzuki offering is locally assembled and is priced at 16,40,000 rupees ex-showroom India. Bookings for the new generation Hayabusa will begin once again very soon. BMW has launched the new X7 Dark Shadow Edition in India, priced at 2 crore and 2 lakh rupees ex-showroom. This is the first special edition model of the flagship SUV. The BMW X7 Dark Shadow Edition is limited to just 500 units worldwide and will be manufactured at the Bavarian carmaker Spartanburg facility in the US. Styled by the company's exclusive customization division BMW Individual, the X7 Dark Shadow Edition gets a special paint scheme called Frozen Arctic Grey Metallic. It also gets black exterior elements like the dark chrome finish on the kidney grille and window surrounds. The air intakes and the tailpipe covers are also finished in black chrome. The X7 Dark Shadow Edition comes with 22-inch M light alloy wheels and an M Sports exhaust system. The cabin is draped in individual merino full leather upholstery finished in a two-tone theme along with piano black finish on the center console. The Dark Shadow Edition is available on the M50D variant that packs a 3-litre diesel engine with 394 brake horsepower and 760 Nm of peak torque. Prices of petrol and diesel fuels have yet again reached new highs today, and Pune has become the newest city to cross the 100 rupee per litre mark for petrol. Meanwhile, diesel has reached 90 rupees and 66 paise per litre in the Maharashtrian city. On the other hand, petrol prices in the national capital Delhi currently stand at 94 rupees and 23 paise per litre, while diesel price stands at 85 rupees and 15 paise per litre. At the same time, in Mumbai, petrol and diesel prices have touched 100 rupees and 47 paise per litre and 92 rupees and 45 paise per litre respectively. This is the 16th time fuel prices have been hiked in the month of May 2021.
Hey folks, I hope you liked this video. Please leave a comment and tell us just how much you liked it. If you didn't like it, well, also leave us a comment so we know exactly what we should be improving. Your feedback is like gold for us.